Today we're doing a very common old school modification to my Fox body Mustang and get rid of this large antenna. We're going to be installing one of these 14-inch billet shorty antennas from UPR. Now, these are available in 4 different finishes. You have a textured black, a gloss black, a polished, and a satin finish, and they're extremely easy to install. Grab a 10mm wrench, and literally 1 or 2 turns to loosen it up, and we'll unthread from the base. So I'm going to go with a black antenna, but I'm honestly not sure which one I like better, so I'm going to start with the gloss black. And literally, you can just tighten these with your fingers. That's plenty tight for an antenna. Let's try the textured, more of the matte black finish. Yeah, I think that matches the trim better. I'm actually going to go with that one. I know a lot of people worry about reception because you're cutting the antenna basically in half, but we're inside a building, and as you can hear, reception is no problem. The factory antenna is so tall, it looks like you're trying to catch shortwave, so the billet shorty from UPR just looks a lot better, but it also works just as well. In my opinion, it may even work better than the factory antenna. The installation will only take you minutes to be back on the road in no time.